subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung has silently unveiled the successor of Galaxy A40 smartphone in Japan called Galaxy A41. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A41 supports a 6.1-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by an unknown octa-core processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Galaxy A41 features triple camera setup along with the LED flash on the rear, which includes a 48MP main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is 25MP selfie camera under the notch with f2.2 aperture. The handset comes equipped by 3500 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone is also listed to support an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is certified by IP68 dust and water resistance. In terms of software, the handset will likely come preloaded with Android 10 based on One UI 2.0 skin on top. Now, talking about the availability details. The Galaxy A41 will be available for purchase in Japan from June 2020 in black, blue and white color options. And the pricing details were yet to announce by the company. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A41 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.